Have you ever heard about that Viltrox had released 3 lenses this October? And the first time these 3 lenses came into public view was at the photo keynote in September, and then at the Photo Plus Export at New York. Well, on the table is the first available one, a Sony full-frame 85mm f1.8 lens. On the box, you can see the item number is PFU RBMH 85mm f1.8, and this is the picture of the product and Viltrox brand. And on the bottom of the box, there is Viltrox company information, certification, and the serial number. Well, let's remove the outside package. On the inside box, you can still see a sticker of the serial number, and there are 2 seals which ensure the product is unopened and nude. Well, let's open it. Well, at the first side, you can see a portable bag and the 3 must-haves in a new product. The warranty card and the user manual and the certificate. Well, let's come to see the lens. Well, sturdy sponge, well protected. Here we go, it's the lens. You can see there is lens gap, and this is the lens hood. You can rotate to remove it. And this is the rear cap. Well, on the lens you can see there is also an item number, and this is the lens hood index. When you turn the focusing ring, see, you can feel it's very good and very smooth. And for a certain distance, you can adjust from minimum 0.8 to infinity. And coincided is the index of the depth of focus. Here you can also see Viltrox brand here, serial number for Sony E-mount systems. And what you may not be able to see is the inside 9 aperture brains. And the filter diameter is 72mm. And this lens also has a USB upgrade port on the bayonet. It also features 10 elements in 7 groups excellent optics, and it can support image stabilization on the camera body and auto iris, which goes from f1.8 to f16. Generally speaking, if you are not a manual focus phobia, this will be a very good choice for you, especially for portrait shooting. Last but not least, this is only Viltrox official channel. For more reviews of Viltrox products, please subscribe us. Thank you for watching.